Welcome again. This week, we will reveal the craziest devices you wished you owned in 2027. It is about super smart devices and advanced AI technology, mind-boggling inventions making our lives easier in 2027. Some of these innovations seem like straight out of science fiction movies, while some are already coming into reality. Don't miss the ending, and you'll see the coolest gadget that has been invented so far. Number 1. BUDI iPhone Fast Charger. The BUDI iPhone Fast Charger is a 3-in-1 versatile charging solution that will help you easily maintain your important Apple gadgets charged. Being a 38-watt USB power delivery charger, it has a USB Type-C port, a USB Type-A port, and a foldable wireless charger for your Apple Watch. It provides fast charging for iPhones, Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, AirPods, and other gadgets. With the foldable charger, all versions of Apple Watch, from Series 1 up to Series 7, and the Apple Watch SE can be charged. This charger is compact and light to take wherever you go, on your travels, at work, and even at home, as it can easily fit into a pocket or bag. Number 2. Corsair Xeneon Flex. This is because of the unique and innovative features of the gaming monitor, like the bendable OLED display, which makes it deliver a superior gaming experience. This is due to the partnership with LG Display, where the 45-inch 3440 by 1440 ultra-wide screen can be bent into a curved screen, ranging from being entirely straight to 800 R-curve depending on the game genre you intend to play. Other notable features include the super-fast refresh rate of 240 Hz and 0.03 millisecond response time, ensuring smooth operation without motion blur. In addition, compatibility with NVIDIA G-Sync and AMD FreeSync premium technologies eliminates screen tearing, while HDR with 1000 nits peak brightness and 99% DCI-P3 color coverage produce stunning images and colors. Number 3. Wireless Charger and Stand Kit. KUXIU X63 3-in-1 Wireless Charger and Stand Kit is a sophisticated device that will appeal to those Apple fans who appreciate both stylish design and portability. Its durable aluminum alloy body ensures high quality, heat dissipation, and stylish appearance. The unique folding design allows carrying this charger anywhere you want, as it fits even into your pocket, being only half the size of the iPhone. Moreover, KUXIU X63 functions as a phone holder that lets you FaceTime or watch videos. This charger is equipped with a 20-watt PD adapter to provide fast and safe wireless charging, protected from overheating, overcurrent, and overvoltage. KUXIU X63 works with the new iPhone 17, Apple Watch Ultra and Series, and AirPods. This elegant, durable, and multifunctional charger is available at $39.99. Number 4. Olight Oclip Clip Light. Olight Oclip Clip Light is a versatile, everyday carry flashlight with high output and brightness. The flashlight produces up to 300 lumens of bright light and comes with a red light that will allow you to save your night vision, send signals in case of an emergency, and perform other activities at night. It weighs 1.05 ounce and has dimensions of less than 2 inches in length. Therefore, you can simply clip it onto any pocket, backpack, cap, or keychain. The clip of this flashlight is tough, and it can pass 10,000 clip tests. Moreover, the clip holds even 14mm thick materials. The flashlight comes with a magnet that allows it to be mounted in a hands-free way and charges via USB Type-C port from power banks or wall chargers. Priced at $28.49. Number 5. Bose Ultra Open Earbuds. These Bose Ultra Open Earbuds set new standards in wireless listening thanks to high-quality sound reproduction and full immersion into the surrounding environment. The new clip-on earbuds from Bose employ open audio technology, offering deep, immersive audio while allowing you to remain aware of ambient sounds through your ears. Bose Immersive Audio provides a wide, realistic listening space, making listening experience more natural. Their lightweight, flexible design offers a comfortable wraparound fit that lasts the whole day without getting uncomfortable. With an IPX4 level of resistance to water, they can withstand any moisture like sweat and rain. Enjoy up to 7 hours of battery life and up to 48 hours on standby and extra charge from the charging case. Bluetooth multi-point connection, intuitive controls, Bose Simple Sync integration, and a Bose app make them a top choice for work, travels, exercise, and entertainment. For only $199. Number 6. SOLAKAKA K21 Number Pad. SOLAKAKA K21 Number Pad is a versatile mechanical keypad that is designed to improve productivity, gaming, and customizability. The number pad is triple connectivity enabled and allows connectivity via Bluetooth, 2004 GHz wireless, and USB Type-C wired. The device can store up to 5 paired devices and switch between them quickly to be used on PCs, laptops, MacBooks, and mobile devices. The premium ice crystal mechanical switches provide smooth keystrokes with a nice feeling and sound of typing. Hot swappable switches allow using either 3-pin or 5-pin cherry-style switches to customize the typing experience effortlessly. The number pad comes with 21 keys and 18 types of RGB lighting, as well as beautiful pudding keycaps that make the setup stand out. Macro programming is supported to customize shortcuts and workflows, which makes the device perfect for professionals, content creators, accountants, and gamers. Number 7. Hagibis Magnetic M.2 2230 NVMe SSD Enclosure. The Hagibis Magnetic M.2 2230 NVMe SSD Enclosure is a compact high-speed drive that is ideal for professionals who are always on the go. It has the capability to support M.2 2230 NVMe SSD up to 2 TB, with a blazing fast transfer rate of 10 gigabits per second USB 3.2 Gen 2 with up to 1000 to 1200 MB read-write speed. It comes with an aluminum enclosure that effectively dissipates heat and 2 different power loss protection systems which ensure data safety in case of sudden power losses. Thanks to its magnetically attachable design that is compatible with MagSafe system, the Hagibis SSD enclosure can be attached to any compatible iPhone, and it enables you to record 4K ProRes video onto an external drive without taking up the internal storage of the phone. It is compatible with iPhone 17, 16, and 15 Pro, MacBooks, iPads, Android phones, and other USB-C equipped devices. Priced at $39.99. Number 8. Baseus Free-to-Pull USB-C Cable. Baseus Free-to-Pull USB Type-C cable is a clever travel-oriented cable that has fast charging capacity, portability, and ease of use. It offers 100-watt power delivery with 5-ampere output, and therefore is perfect for charging laptops, tablets, smartphones, and other USB Type-C devices. Its unique, fully retractable technology consists of 4 preset lengths of cables and allows you to minimize the hassle of tangling and maintain cleanliness of your desk area. You can pull the cable out of both sides for more versatility and then quickly retract the cable. The cable weighs only 50 grams, which means that it can be comfortably carried in your pocket, backpack, or travel bag. Besides being an excellent cable for fast charging, it provides 480 megabits per second data transfer, but does not transmit video. It is suitable for iPhone 17, 16 series, MacBooks, iPads, Samsung Galaxy phones, and many other devices. Priced at only $12.99. Number 9. Wireless Bluetooth Keyboards. The ZenRich wireless Bluetooth keyboard is a lightweight and portable keyboard built to enhance your productivity on different gadgets. The keyboard has a full-size keyboard layout with an integrated touchpad which is shielded from dirt, dust, moisture, and ensures smooth and accurate movement. Scissor keys are silent, comfortable, and accurate to enable efficient typing for business and studying purposes. The keyboard is compatible with up to 3 gadgets simultaneously and can be easily used to switch between Windows, MacOS, iPadOS, Android, and iOS systems. The keyboard is equipped with a powerful rechargeable battery which will last you up to 400 hours after 2 hours USB-C charging. making this product a great choice for travelers. A rugged pew cover protects your keyboard when traveling and also acts as a tablet and smartphone holder. Number 10. Kohler Moxie Showerhead Speaker. The Kohler Moxie Showerhead speaker turns your shower time into an entertaining session by integrating a quality showerhead with a waterproof Bluetooth speaker. The spray face of the device provides an invigorating full-body wetting shower with 2.5 GPM water flow rate for constant water distribution. The detachable speaker, equipped with Harman Kardon audio technology, ensures quality sound output, making it possible for you to listen to music or make calls while taking shower. The Bluetooth capability makes it possible to pair the speaker with smartphones, tablets, and other devices supporting Bluetooth. The detachable feature allows one to use the speaker outside the shower. The Moxie features a stylish matte black design along with wall mounting capabilities that make it an ideal choice for a daily user. Number 11. Itigoitie IV18 Fluorescent Tube Clock. The Itigoitie IV18 Fluorescent Tube Clock is a remarkable desktop clock combining retro-style technology with modern cyberpunk designs. The idea of the clock originated from the unusual IV18 fluorescent tubes which were utilized in military equipment in the 1980s and 1990s. This gadget serves not only as an accurate clock, but also as an amazing collectible item. The transparent case of the clock reveals the inner circuit board, creating a truly high-tech look of the clock. With the help of the high-precision chip, the clock displays accurate time, date, and temperature. Different lighting modes and color gradient settings enable one to customize the clock according to personal preferences. High-quality and long-lasting fluorescent tubes illuminate brightly and evenly. Convenient in use and eye-catching, the IV18 fluorescent tube clock is a perfect choice for everyone who admires futuristic technologies. Number 12. BSTY Smart Wireless AR Glasses. The BSTY Smart Wireless AR Glasses bring the movie theater to you using innovative augmented reality technology. They boast dual fast LED screens with an extremely high resolution of 3840-800 and pancake lenses. The AR micro-projection makes it feel like watching movies and playing games on a giant 1000-inch virtual screen. With their weight of just 98 grams, they are very comfortable. Wireless screencasting from your phone, tablet, laptop, and gaming console ensures seamless performance without any wires. Myopia correction ranging from 0 to 7.00D is built right into them, so there is no need for prescription lenses, and you can adjust the brightness and volume using physical controls. Stereo speakers and a magnetic light blocker make the immersion complete. These AR glasses are perfect for entertainment, gaming, traveling, and privacy wherever you go. Priced at $239 to $249. Number 13. AP30 Music Boy. AP30 Music Boy is a small-sized digital music player that combines vintage gaming aesthetics with high-fidelity sound. It has a lightweight design of 56 grams along with a 0-inch HD IPS screen and retro-style buttons such as a D-pad, AB keys, and Japanese Alps volume knob. The player uses the best triple-chip structure with Cirrus Logic CS43198 DAC, resulting in excellent sound quality with support of DSD-256 and 24-bit 192 kHz PCM format. With dual 3.5mm and 4.4mm balanced output, it can work perfectly with various headphones. This player is running under the operating system of Linux-based Hagibis OS with support of user-adjustable eKey and USB DAC for PC and smartphone. It also has Bluetooth 5.3 transmission, supports up to 256GB micro SD card, and offers 10 to 12 hours of battery usage time. Number 14. URXR On. URXR One is a high-end mixed reality headset that provides immersive spatial computing through a very light and glasses-like product. The device has dual 1.03-inch micro OLED displays with pancake lenses, which create stunning visuals at 2448-2064 resolution for each eye. With 4 front-facing cameras, the URXR One provides full color pass-through functionality with an amazingly low 9 names latency. A special spatial processing unit allows you to accurately anchor your virtual objects with 6DoF. Natural hand tracking and gestures let you navigate the device in a completely controller-free way. In order to make the product more comfortable, it also has adjustable IPD from 58 to 68 mm and magnetic prescription lens inserts. Number 15. MusicCam Pro. The MusicCam Pro is a state-of-the-art wearable camera for creators, cyclists, and thrill seekers who prefer hands-free 4K recording. It supports incredible 4K Ultra HD video recording and Wi-Fi 6 connectivity that allows you to see the footage in real time on your smartphone in live preview mode. Its adjustable sliding 92 wide-angle lens helps to prevent blockages by helmets or clothes, while open-ear audio helps to listen to music and take calls in case of not wanting to exclude the ambient sounds. The Team Talk intercom feature allows clear voice communication with other headset owners. Featuring a mere 50 to 55 gram weight and an IP68 water resistance, it is suitable for every condition. Artificial intelligence-powered editing software, 96 minutes of 4K recording, 15 hours of music listening, and fast charging are some other features of this versatile wearable. The MusicCam Pro costs only $229. Thank you for watching insane gadgets you wish you could own in 2027. Which gadget from the future impressed you the most? Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. If you liked this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Catch you in the next one.